And just like that, winter is over. But I got to tell you guys, I am really, really behind on my garden planting. I haven't even done it yet. And I usually spend about a day doing it. Like I can do it. It's not like I have to sit down for a solid 8 hours, but I'll kind of chip away at it over the course of a day. But I haven't done it yet. And it's, as I record this, it is March 16th. And it's 20 degrees Celsius right now. It's insane. We've been playing outside all day. We've been playing with water. I'm pumping water up the hill into my cisterns. Winter is over. I've still got a few chunks of snow kicking around, but they'll be gone by the end of the day. So what I want to tell you guys about is if you're late in your garden planting like I am, I've got a solution for you. I've heard about this app called Seed Time for a while now. In fact, Paul Deisinger, who's the creator of it, reached out to me quite a while ago. I've always had too much going on, especially since I bought this property. I've just had so much going on. But he says, look, I'll plan your garden for you this year. I was like, oh, wow, okay. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. So Tuesday, March 19th, 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'm going to be planning my garden in real time with Paul Deisinger on this super cool app for designing your garden. And it can actually be, he told me to give him a rough idea of how my garden was laid out. And I do have 30-inch beds. You know, you're familiar with my stuff. I got all these terraces that we've got to plant out and greenhouse stuff too. I've got my tomatoes and onions and my long season crops and peppers and all that started. So that's not a big deal. But as far as where things go and what I'm going to seed in the field, none of that has been designed yet. But this app makes it really, really simple. And they allow you to do half beds, interplanting, all kinds of stuff. Because I do that. I told them, I said, look, I've got my peas and my beans. I do on a trellis in the center of a 30-inch bed. But then I'll interplant carrots, 2 rows on both sides. He said, oh yeah, we can do that, no problem. So he even said that he could put my chickens into the rotation. So I want to invite you to this. It's going to be super, super cool. And you're going to be learning in real time with me. We're going to be planning this garden. I gave him all the dimensions of my garden beds, and we're going to be doing this in real time. I gave him a list of the crops I'm going to grow, and we're going to plan out my garden. And you can come along for the ride and learn a ton and maybe check out this software while you're at it. So that is Tuesday, March 19th at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. There'll be a link to the webinar in this video. Go there, sign up, and check it out. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.